Begin the Razer Hybrid server installation by navigating to the downloaded files. Double-click the Setup.exe file to launch the installer. Click Next to proceed. Carefully read the license agreement. If you agree with the terms, select I agree and click Next to continue with the installation. Select all default settings for the installation. Ensure not to change the install directory. Click Next to proceed. Confirm your installation settings by clicking Next again to begin the installation process. The installation is now complete. The server has been successfully installed and started. Click Close to exit. For Razer Client installation, navigate to the downloaded files and double-click the Setup.exe file. Click Next to proceed. Read the license agreement for the Razer Client. If you agree, select I agree and click Next to continue. Select all default settings for the Razer Client installation. Do not change the install directory. Click Next to proceed. Confirm the installation settings by clicking Next again to continue with the installation. If the client is not on the same server as the database, enter the database server and port number provided by your Razer administrator. Click Next to proceed. The Razer Client installation is complete. An icon should now appear on your desktop for easy access. For Enterprise Server remote configuration, use the admin tool on Site-A's Razer server. Click Request a quote to proceed. Select Enterprise License and specify the number of servers, including the local and remote servers. Proceed with the quote request. Complete the form and send it to Visible Systems. Upon payment, you will receive new license keys for Server A. Update Razer licensing using the admin tool with the new keys. Enable remote server configuration and read the notice. Enter the remote server's IP and database details. Complete the form to establish the connection. Ensure all connection details are correct. Avoid having tools open for both local and remote sites simultaneously to prevent crosstalk. This concludes the installation. Next, explore the Issues Management component and learn how to implement sprint boards in Razer Hybrid.